snow returning as temperatures are dropping very quickly in the Devil's Lake Basin. You're looking in on that Devil's Lake view. Here's a view from around the region, and some of us are getting raindrops. You can see wet cameras. Some of us are getting flakes of snow. We see that the Medina area out in the western part of Stutsman County did get some fresh flakes of snow glistening on the roadside there. Cavalier, you're on the warmer side of the system at this point in time. Some sprinkles of rain. Nothing in Pembina or Emerado yet. Maybe a couple of drops in the Pembina area as the system works its way through. This system is expected to bring up to 1/2 of an inch of liquid equivalent moisture. That means if you get snowflakes, we melt it down up to a 1/2 inch of liquid equivalent. That will not have a significant impact in our flood levels, and the expectation of them reaching a major stage now has come down because our ground is actually absorbing a lot more of this water than likely was anticipated earlier by the models. Nonetheless, we're a 1/2 foot away or so from flood stage in Fargo. Hickson, you're good ways yet from flood stage at 17 feet, and Wahpeton 11 feet plus. Now, Grand Forks, you have 10 feet of rise left before you're in flood stage. Nonetheless, we have Red River flood warnings in effect at Wild Rice River, Maple and Cheyenne Rivers, the Buffalo and southern branch of the Buffalo Rivers also seeing river level rises. So they're on their way up. We'll keep our eyes on them, and you can get the very latest anytime on valleynewslive.com, our website. Click on the weather tab there and you can get the latest river levels there, or on the app. We have a link for you right there. Download the VNL weather app today. 47 as we enjoy some very mild temperatures, but these gusty northwest winds have some changes in mind, and you can see on the radar clearly what those changes entail. We have some flakes of snow flying from Langdon all the way through the Devil's Lake Basin into the northern James River Valley. Notice it cuts off sharply along and south of Interstate 94, so that's where most of the activity will be. Will Fargo see some flakes tonight? There is a chance. A better chance, though, will be up in our northern counties where we see these dark blues here from, say, not far from Jamestown up through the Carrington area. We have some bigger flakes of snow showing up. Look at the temperature change across our area. 54 degrees right now in the Fergus Falls area. It's 34 degrees in Langdon, so a 20-degree difference heading our way. Here is when the snow arrives in your area as we track it across the region. As we go through the evening drive, northeast North Dakota, it's pushing into the northern Red River Valley with temperatures cold enough for snow by the time we get to about 8 to 10 o'clock. It'll accumulate. It's going to be that wet, sticky, slushy kind of snow up north. Notice that the model kind of trails it up to the north. We could see some sprinkles of rain with temperatures still in the 40s here in the Southern Valley, so keep that in mind. Then overnight, well, all of us will dip down below freezing. The snow will be out of here by daybreak. In fact, after about 3 in the morning, it should be moving out. Where you see the dark shades here, some patchy fog on the backside of the system as well. As we look ahead, it looks like a colder day for most areas. The snowfall will be gone. Temperatures rise. They'll be warm down to the south, but also windy. Look at the yellow arrows return. Gusts over 35 miles per hour will be possible out to the west, and it will be cooler in most locations. Again, accumulations up along the international border of 1 inch or so, and likewise similar accumulations from Baudette and the Rainy River right straight down through the Park Rapids area. 2 to 5 inches though once you get just east of that out towards Walker and in towards the elevated terrain of the Iron Range. First alert weather day for that morning commute for you, but the rest of your day looks breezy but not too bad. Tiffany, thanks for sharing this awesome and reflective, colorful shot. 37 cooler degrees Wednesday, so we stay cool there. Can't rule out a flake or two of snow. Then a little bit of a rebound back into the 40s for Thursday and Friday. Friday, a sprinkle chance, nothing big. We stay mild and above average all the way through Monday. We're watching a system for the middle of next week again as well.
We'll deal with these short-term things.
We got this.
Yes.
You can do it.
Okay.
Later here on Valley News Live at 6, the deadline for ice house removal in Minnesota has arrived.